Welcome guys. Today we're going to talk about the price action strategy, the simple price action strategy which I use and which my mentor told me how to use it, and I'm making profit from that. So before going to the charts, to the strategy, I would like you to take it to the simple like 5 slides presentation to make a base, what you needed, these 3 steps. And after analyzing that, making base, we will jump into the charts and apply those strategy. So without a delay, let's jump into it. Okay guys, so we are here. Now to have this simple price action strategy in 3 steps, we need to have these 3 steps. So first one is to find a trend, either downtrend or uptrend. Second, find a support and resistance. I will explain you what does it mean support and resistance for us. And the third one, candle setups. We are looking only for 2 kind of candles which is required for our setup. This is all we need to have it for our strategy. That's how pro trader use. They keep it simple. They don't make it complicated like beginners. They try to overdo it and they make it so complicated, and they are jumping from one strategy to another. This one is not working. This one is not working. So keep it this simple formula KISS, which means keep it simple, stupid, and follow that. So let's jump into what market does exactly. So my market is doing only 3 things. Market can only be in uptrend, or it can be a sideways, or it can be in downtrend. We don't care and we don't look for the market which is in a sideways. It's a rubbish for us. So we just look for an uptrend or a downtrend. Now let's jump into the 3 steps how to do that. First one, how to find a trend. To find a trend, there are 3 ways, as you can see in the charts. In this chart, the first one, either you find higher high and higher lows. You go from one high to high and it's making higher high and higher low. It means the chart is in uptrend, it's going higher. And when it's making lower low and lower high, it means in a downtrend. This is a one way to find a trend. Second one, to make it more easier and simple, you make a channel. You link the touching points with the lines, and then you go to this channel, so it will be easier for you to find upward channel or downward channel. The third one, you can use it also a moving average. It can be a simple 10 moving average or 20 or 21 as you prefer. If the moving average is rising, it means uptrend, and if it's going down, it's a downtrend. So in this chart, as you can see, the moving average is rising, the price is also going up. So these are the 3 ways you can find a trend. Now let's go to the second step. What is a support and resistance? We need to find our support and resistance. We don't make a support and resistance only to the point like this is the point that this is a support, or this is a support, or this is a resistance. We make an area where is the demand and supply. Like in this particular area, the price gonna react. It's not just particular this point or that point tick. It's this area. That's the area where the price gonna react. So that's the second thing we need to have in our strategy. Let's go to the third one. We need to follow 2 types of candles. One, engulfing patterns, which means when we are looking for a long opportunity to buy opportunity, when there is a red candle happen and when the green candle is eating that red candle, that's the engulfing pattern for us. We will buy at that time. And when we have to sell, when the green candle is going on and the red candle eat it, then we are going to sell. So this is one of the pattern. Second one is a pin bar. If we are going for a long or for a buy, we are looking for bullish spin bar, which means this tail bar. This is very important. And similar way for the short or a sell, we are looking for this bear spin bar. So we are looking only for these 2 patterns, either this for buying or this candle, or for short this one or this one. Now let's jump into the charts. Okay, so now we are in the charts. I will go one by one to couple of pairs to show you how this strategy works. So let's go to any pair, just I'm taking it Aussie dollar. Now we have a pair. I'm just on a 4-hour time frame. You can use it any time frame. And what we need to find out, you remember the first we need to find a trend. So either you use a moving average or you can use a simple channel, which we use. So let's make a channel here. And we have a channel. It doesn't have to be perfect. This point has to be touched, or this. Just you need to have a guidance that this is the place is touching. So we need to know exactly where it is going onwards. So now we have a channel. Second step, if you remember, we need to find out the support. So this is the area, is the support. This is the area of the support. You look at here. These are the areas you can see. These are the areas where you can find a support. So now second thing, we're looking for these candles. How we can find it near to this support area, this candle. Which one was it? One is engulfing, second is a tail bar. So let's go. For example, we are here. The price is in higher high and higher low. We are in uptrend, is confirmed. Now we have support and resistance. The third thing to find, engulfing or tail bar. Let's zoom it. Let's zoom it this pattern here. Yes, this made a higher high in this one. Now it's retreating back. And you see here, this candle is eating the body of this candle. And then another pin bar is happening. So what I'm going to enter on this trade. And I'm going to look for a trade entry here. And I'm putting stop loss not exactly behind this, a little bit down. And you see I have a good perfect setup here. So this is so simple. Just keep it simple. Take it another example. Just take it like pound GBP JPY, for example. I took this trade also, so I can show you here. First we put a uptrend. The price is going higher high and higher low. I make a support and resistance matching the areas where higher high and lower lows happen. So these are the areas. And you see here the recent trade which I took it, this price going higher, going down, and now it goes up, but it didn't eat this candle, so I will not enter on this trade here. It goes up again, but look at this candle. This candle is eating perfectly here. I can enter here, and I did it on this pair, and I will put stop loss little bit down below this line, not exactly behind this. And you see I can have a 2 to 1 or 3 to 1 profit ratio here. So it's a good example. Let's take another one. I can go on. Let's take it a gold, or one of our favorites. Go to any chart, go anywhere. This strategy you can apply anywhere. Make a trend. We have a trend. Let's make a support and resistance. So guys, you see price make higher, then going down. And you see here, this is a solid pin bar. What I'm going to do, I'm going to enter on this trade. I'm going to enter here, put a stop loss here, and you see I can make a profit till the end here. If you miss this opportunity anyway, this one, you got another one here. You see up and near to the support area, this big bar is happening. You're going to enter again on this one. Put a stop loss quite below this support area, and then you got another profit here. So these are I can go on and on. So what you have to do, just 3 simple steps to repeat again. Find the trend, look for the support and resistance, and third, find the candlesticks, engulfing pattern or pin bar. Cannot be more than simple than that. So just follow that and keep it simple. Apply this technique for 10 to 20 trades and see the results. Thank you. Bye. And subscribe our channel.